Welcome the heck back, people. So I am so excited to have you here. I have not posted in what feels like months, but it's probably only been a week or two, but I am back. I am sorry I was away for a minute. I'm working on a side hustle and also have had some frustrating moments. So if you're interested in an Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing, as well as hearing what kept me away from uploading videos, then please keep watching. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. So I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag here. I will go ahead and open it, but last video I mentioned that I got the Ipsy Ultimate and I was really excited to kind of compare boxes and see, which month was better. But I think it's August 22nd, maybe 23rd or something, and I still don't have my Ipsy Ultimate. So I was waiting on that to do a video and just got really, really frustrated. And then it kind of toppled over into just not wanting to make any videos. And when you have an Ipsy, you look forward to getting the products. I purposely didn't buy any products. I was trying to be extra good this month and just rely on my Ipsy, but then it's not here. So just got super down in the dumps, didn't want to do anything, didn't want to do any get ready with me's, like nothing. And so I bounced and just kind of stepped away, working on a little side business, probably going to come to Etsy. But that is not quite ready to go yet. So I'm still mastering some things, but I will let you guys know when it does, because I would love your feedback and support and anything that you would like to see different with that, but it's not quite ready. But I do have the Ipsy Glam Bag that came right on time. Still waiting on the Ultimate. So I did talk to customer service and they said that if I don't have it by the 28th, which is essentially 15 days from the last day that it possibly could have come to me or whatever, to let them know. So I don't know if they were just re-mailing me the same one, if they just have to wait a certain number of days before refunding me. I honestly have no clue there. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin some of this hair back because I don't know quite what it's doing. It is air drying right now and it's got a mind of its own. So yes, this is kind of the texture of my hair when I twist it up and let it air dry, which I miss. I miss when it's curly. Okay, longest intro ever, but I so am excited to hopefully get my Ultimate at some point because I'm really into the bag actually this month. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag. It's this super cute kind of intergalactic. It's super easy to wipe off. It's not cloth, it's like a vinyl, I guess. Is that what it's called? I don't know. But as usual, I will post Mama Upchurch's Ipsy. She actually got 2 Ipsy Glam Bags because she's new to Ipsy. So she got that marbled one that we got back in February. And then she got her kind of intergalactic one, which she is loving, y'all. So if you need a little treat, something to kind of perk up someone's day, they get a little treat in the mail. It's $12 a month. Highly recommend it. I'll link some of my Ipsy videos up above here. But it's super fun to get something, which is why I think it's so disappointing when you don't get it and you invest a little bit more. So I'm moving on from that. I've got so many great videos coming up. I'm just going to separate and get back into my jam. So the theme for this month per Ipsy is Glow Your Own Way. I think Glow Your Own Way. Maybe that's why it's galaxy related. I'm not really sure. I couldn't tell you, but I'm super excited about one of these things. So I've been doing Ipsy for, gosh, probably 5 years, maybe more than that. I've gone in and out. I've ceased it, picked it up again, etc. But occasionally you get some really good stuff. So in this cute little bubble wrapped thing here is a full size Ofra blush. And this is in the blush shade Rose, which I don't know, let me find my other Ipsy Ofra blush. Aha. So this is in the shade Rose, and this is my Ofra Madison Miller blush in Sweet Stuff. So I got both of these. Here, we'll compare. Sweet Stuff is a little bit more pinky, so let's see if it picks up on camera. Yeah, this is Sweet Stuff, and you can see this is a little more neutral. But these are fantastic blushes, and I've gotten them both from Ipsy. So thank you so much, Ipsy, for sending full-size Ofra blushes because they are incredible. Okay, the formula is outstanding. I don't know if my mom got one of those. Kind of wish she did because it's so good. Okay, I also got the Briojo Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. It is a thirst quenching mask that hydrates dry, parched hair. So it's a hair mask. Rescue your hair with green smoothie inspired ingredients like spinach, leaf extract, chia seeds. Love to eat those, but they get stuck up in my teeth. And cocoa seed butter that are loaded with things to help restore, maintain, and lock in moisture. So Briojo is one of my favorite hair brands. I use the Briojo Banana Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner. I absolutely love it. I'm actually almost out of the shampoo, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way, you know. Okay, so you get to, you know, customize one item in your Ipsy bag. So I did pick the Glam Glow Bright Eyes kind of under eye moisturizer. So I've never seen such a small bottle. To give you an idea, that is the tiniest bottle ever made of Glam Glow product, but this is an illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. And it has a cute little star on it. I wish it was just the tiniest bit bigger. I mean, I know Glam Glow is an outstanding brand. It doesn't really have a scent. So that's nice for an under eye cream. It's jam-packed here. So you can see it's like super, super full. I have been trying to really get through some products. So, you know, this will be an easy one to get through because it's not that big, but at least I'll see if I really like it or not. But I think Glam Glow is an excellent brand, as well as Briojo. Sorry. Glam Glow is an excellent brand, as well as Briojo. So these are like two top-notch brands, and Ofra. I feel like that's a huge win. Like 3 amazing brands so far in my Ipsy Glam Bag. So next I have the Miracle Pore Minimizing Serum by Dewy Tree. This is this cute little teardropper bottle. It says, for tightening pore care, not for resale. Thank you. It's tiny. How would you resell this? But it's got a squishy little teardropper here. You know, it is kind of like halfway full. So that's where the liquid starts. But it's a sample, so we'll see. I'm guessing it's for like before makeup, shrinking your pores. I don't have huge pores, but I'll try and use it in a get ready with me and see how it goes. And then this one I'm super excited about because I feel like these have been very trendy as of late. It is a rollerball gloss. So it says, be a roller baby in your ink readable rollerball gloss, and it's rolling like a honey. So these have been, you know, they were super like, roller glosses were just really in like back when I was a kid, and I think they're like making their way back again. So I'm really happy about it. It just brings me back to my childhood. So I'm actually gonna try it right now and see what it smells like, what it tastes like, all those good things. Doesn't smell like anything. So there's a little roller ball right there, you can see. And it kind of shakes them down into it. Roll it on my hand a little. Ooh. That is smooth. So it's really kind of like oil, I feel. It's got the tiniest tint. It didn't really change anything. You know, some of my lip crayon came off in the ball, whatever. It says it's enriched with vegan collagen. So it's just very light and smooth and hydrating. So this will go in the purse, and just top it on top when I'm having a dry lip kind of moment. Or I feel like this would be okay to wear in your mask because it's not very thick and it doesn't have color, so it's not going to go all over your face. So I might put that in a future mask makeup series. Get ready with me. All right, well, that's it for my Ipsy Glam Bag unboxing. Thanks so much for tuning in and not abandoning me, even though I haven't posted a single video in a very long time. And I hope you guys are excited for some fun videos coming up. And let me know if your Ipsy came on time, if you've experienced delays with any of the larger ones. I know, hi Judy. Judy was telling me like hers took a while to come in. So shout out to my girl Judy. And any new subscribers that have joined the fam, I would love to know who you are and where you're from, and I'll give you shout outs like as we go, because I just love my YouTube family, and I'm so sorry I abandoned ship for a few weeks, but I needed a mental break. So thanks for staying subscribed. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.